Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day, man. I'll be taking the Camaro to the shop and get the work done to it. But before that, I'm gonna give y'all the last cold start of this car. Sounds good. So guys, also, I forgot to show y'all this. This is a part that came in. For the Camaro. This is my K-Tech oil pump. Have that installed also. All right, guys. Like I say, it's about a little bit over an hour drive, not an hour, a little bit under an hour drive. I'll be dropping it off to Race Proven Performance. So they'll be doing the work. So this will be the last time it'll say on stop.
Yeah, I might be feeling a vibe right about that, but we got plenty of work.
Anyway, let me get on the road, guys, and I'll get back to y'all once I get to the spot. All right, we arriving at Race Proven Performance. So we're gonna go in and meet some guys and see what they're gonna do. All right. Is Jerry here? Oh, he just texted me, said he wouldn't make it. I brought my car in today. Yeah. Dropping off to get it marked. I'm gonna try to do it before and after. You want to see it before right now? Yeah. Okay. All right, guys, this right here is at Race Proof and Motorsport. I mean, not Motorsport, Performance. You see, they got a lot of GM Corvettes. So they getting the car off the dyno to put mine on there. And we're gonna see what it does before and after the performance, after the mods. So I'll get back with y'all guys in a few minutes. This right here is a sick Corvette. It's a Grand Sport. It's pretty nice. I think they got something going on back here. We'll walk back here and see what's going on. I think the dyno might be back here in the back. Oh. That's like a 1,000. Oh my gosh. No, hold on. Here's the.
Do I need to get my purse and stuff out?
Yeah, go ahead and get your stuff. Here you go.
But you know what these niggas do right here? The dude who used to own this
said he's got one in here, puts 1,000. They got one in here, he put that 1,000 to the wheel. This thing right here sounds like a monster. I gotta get that got a custom exhaust.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man, I must be blind. The first thing I did was I rolled out the road, man.
Yeah.
To try to see if I meet you. That's what I'm doing right here.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
Yeah, you got some new taillight on this thing.
Nice. Got all kinds of collection in here.
Yeah, I got the cord of another battery back, so. For that.
Oh, you did?
Bunch of things.
Okay, good.
And then showed up. They said we could return the one we got.
Okay.
That's that other one there.
This one right here, that
Yeah.
one there?
Uh-huh.
Is that what you said makes 1,000?
Yeah.
Let's go over and look at this. This one right here that makes 1,000 to the wheels. ZL1. Out here's the Magnuson. This is nice too. So they hooked mine up.
Thank you. Yep.
What do you think it's gonna make, Big C?
Be close to that Jeep.
I want to say because it's already, we've been driving for an hour, so it's heat soaked a little bit. I'm going to have to say at least 540 to the wheels, give or take.
Beautiful car, boy.
I hope. Yeah, we went right there. We pulled in that place, man, and I was like,
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, they used to be right across the street.
Is it not open?
that one,
Air conditioning place right there.
yeah.
Yeah, the house garage, not the shop. Everything else is
I'm saying this has the aftermarket and runs the Razor Alky control.
What about your Grand National? How many horsepower?
It should push you around about a little bit, 630, 650 to the good. I like that. I like to put it on the down there. I know I gotta take it somewhere who can, knows how to, the dyno that tunes the Grand National. He's got a lot of toe charger. It's nice. Sweet. What car is this? What car is this right here? What car is this right here?
Great Hall.
Okay. I don't know.
in Vegas.
That's been a minute.
Yeah, I live here in town.
Oh, okay. I shake y'all's hand, but I'm supposed to be in quarantine. My whole girl's got it.
You Jared, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Jared.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you. I'm gonna keep you putting you on the Facebook
Yeah.
pop out.
Yeah, no, you're good, man. I'll get your, I can spell it off your Facebook for sure.
Really practical. You guys were across the street from Wendy's at one time, the old barber shop.
Yeah.
I was telling a partner of mine, I said, I was in the drive-through, and we pulled out there, man, you guys fired on one down, and it sounded like a monster coming out of the building. Man, it was a hell of a roller going. I'd say it. I hear it like a little bit too quiet. It's real quiet out this area.
Yeah.
We rode past this area. I mean, it's just so, I don't know. We got lost.
What year is this?
17.
Okay.
You can turn it off, man. You go to the side.
Y'all want the video of this?
Yeah.
Okay, what I'll do is I'll get it up to, well, I should be able to make it full here, so as soon as I start rolling, just doing a video, that's fine.
Okay.
And how it works.
All right.
All right.
Realize that car is that loud. You can see it's 544. It's good. 5. That's the torque. 549. Okay, I'm looking at it wrong. Hey.
She's right on. Said 540? Well, it would have made over 550, but it looks like it hit some knock or something up top.
It is.
That's what it looks like.
That big dip right there. Too cold. Timing out or
Most
something
likely.
there, so it probably made more.
Well, it cause extra fuel or just to run out of.
Could be, yes. It's hot too, you know.
Yeah.
You drove it.
Oh, cool.
Pretty good.
It's not bad. I didn't think it was that loud. I was like, my God. Well, let me, I'll show you everything that, when y'all get done, I'll show you everything that I got in the trunk that,
Okay.
I got the big bolt. It's supposed to be in early. I think it's coming in tomorrow. So I'm about to drop it back off. I got the
Okay.
big bolt. So.
Okay, that's fine. That or you can ship it to us too.
Oh, okay.
So whatever's easiest. How quick are you needing this thing back? I guess the next question.
When can you get it done? I know y'all backed up, but what's,
We are. I mean, we're probably a week and a half, 2 weeks out right now.
because I don't drive it, so.
Yeah. Yeah, we, man, we've this last several weeks.
You just give me a date, see what
Yeah.
you know what you think.
Depends on how things go, man. We get behind, you know. and
Yeah.
Things don't go right.
Well, like I say, I want to take the supercharger off, have it sent off, so that gives you some time.
Oh,
to do
okay.
that.
I forgot about that. Yeah, that's on your invoice. Okay.
So I want the Stage X supercharger ported
From Colin.
from Com. And like I said, I told you I got the box back there to ship it in.
Okay. Awesome.
And then I got other stuff in the trunk.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the oil pump. Yeah, that's the K-Tech oil pump. The next thing is the pulley side for the this right here is a 955 pulley. I was wondering, is that too big?
That's gonna be close.
We'll just have to see. Sometimes the real title is way harder.
Do you think I should go with a different one? Or we want to overspend the supercharger?
Now, I'm gonna put it on there. Got fit. It's not what we got right here. Yeah, we got some. We can get it with a couple days. If not, you know, we're just gonna do something else.
Hey, Mike, I'm gonna go home and get my other vehicle, man, and I'll come back.
Okay. Belt. And that's the balancer back there.
Okay. Is it ATI? Everybody's West. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll get you there. So what else we got there? You got the invoice or?
Yeah, I need to go look at your invoice
Let's go
because I
do
got
that.
so many cars here. We need to just look at it.
All right, guys, I'm about ready to leave. I'm leaving my car here, and they're gonna do the work for me. So is this your first time checking out the channel? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, so you can stay updated on the build of the Camaro. With that being said, guys, I'm out.